Entry number 55 is Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel Nabua, Camarines Sur. For Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Shaina Mira, or Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Shaina Mira Sihera. For Commander, Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Mark Ruang. Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Paul Kial. Corps S3, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maria Christine Elizabeth Nacario. Corps S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joy Hogan. Corps S5, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sole Colorado. Major Leader Audrey Alexandra Villa. And Leader Idor Estradilla. Company Commander Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Terence Moncada. Company EXO Cadet Major John Rowan Ortega. Cadet Major Daniel Bogana. Second Two Leader Girls Cadet Major Arlene Rose San CAD Facilitator Commander Wendell Boy Punta, Philippine Navy OSC. Major and Trainer Noel Lopez. Master Trainer Jomel Relativo. Dr. J. Lozon, Cultural Coordinator. Entry number 5, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, San Miguel Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 55, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges from Nabua, Camarines Sur. Next entry.